Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a fourth time now at Arno Elementary, home of the Cougars here in Allen Park, Michigan. And the main focus on today's visit, building upon my previous three with positive life choices, bullying, diversity, etc., was all about leadership. Turning our passion into our purpose, right? And that we try to make our biggest passion people, putting people first and things second. And like Dr. King has said, that life's most important question, urgent question, is what are we doing for others, right? So our passion for people is what we need to really make that thing that makes us come alive, but then helping others, now that becomes our purpose, right? And as true leaders with strong character, we talked about bowling balls versus balloons. People that are like bowling balls have a strong foundation. They're not really affected by the peer pressure, by other things to like take part in negative actions, but they do things to uplift others, and they stand for something solid, right? They have strong principles, strong values, and that they're really not that affected when it comes to other people asking them to just go with the masses and maybe do something that's not right, like somebody that would be like a balloon. So our goal is that we do what's right, even when no one's watching, that we don't brag about it, that we lead humbly, we kind of lead under the radar, and that we also know that there's a lot of different ways that we can lead, right? So one of the other images that I really try to show throughout the assembly is the one that you'll see on the screen back here, and it's a multicolored peace sign, but it's in the shape of a heart, because the heart, right, is where leadership has to begin. And it's different colors as well, because there's different ways to lead. Some of us are more vocal leaders, right? We might lead through our voice. Some of us are more quiet. We have that quiet strength. We're going to lead through our actions. And either way is fine. But the main goal is that we help others, really empower them to become the leaders that all of them are capable of being, and be that light to their heart, help them again see the worth inside each and every one of them. The M on all of our hands, I had that traced again. We revisited that concept, the M for miracle with the lines in each of our hands, but W upside down for worthy, like it says on the shirt here in the front, miracle, to know that we're all beautiful miracles, and then know that everybody deserves love and is worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And it's our job to now go out and help them see that, and know that we do all these things not for the trophies, not for the awards, not for money. I had a student come up to me and told me that he started, shoveling people's driveways, and some people couldn't afford to give him any money. This elementary student, but yet he said he kept doing it because he knew it was the right thing to do. And that's huge, to get that idea, flowing inside of our heart and our mind at a young age, and to start the wheels turning as to, what is it that makes us come alive, right? What is it in our heart that makes us so on fire for life that we wake up every day, and to start already thinking about that at a young age, we know that we can make a difference, and that we have to make that difference, that this world needs us, just like the story of the starfish girl saving even one at a time. It made a difference to at least that one. So keep making a difference, keep shining your light, keep spreading your peace. As always, don't forget to hit the notification bell you'll see pop up on the video here to stay informed on videos like this one. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button that you'll see pop up to know what we're doing across this nation to spread kindness, along with checking out the website schedule and calendar for that. And you'll see that link there, mrpeace.org. And finally, the video playlist above, other amazing clips just like this one. Much love, peace.